Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust the grinder on a Philips 4400 coffee machine. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have my Philips 4400 coffee machine, and I'm going to show you and tell you exactly how I would adjust the grinder. Now, I do have to say this, you should absolutely look at the owner's manual or the user's manual to make sure that you are doing it properly, okay? This is my best understanding, my best knowledge, and my best experience of what I've done and the way that I would adjust the grinder setting. Now, I have had the same grinder setting for a long while. I made adjustments before, but I've left it in the same place for a long while, so I haven't done this in a while. So like I said, look at the owner's manual, look at the user's manual, make sure that you read the instructions and do whatever you gotta do to have a full, complete understanding of how to do this properly. But I'm just gonna show you my opinion and what I would do if I had to adjust the grinder setting right now. So essentially, you have to locate the grinder adjustment knob. So we're going to open up the bean hopper over here. I'm just going to place this to the side, just over there. And what we have here is the grinder adjustment knob. Now, before you go ahead and adjust the grinder, I do have to say this, okay? These are, like I said, the best of my knowledge. So firstly, you should only adjust the grinder while the machine is actually grinding coffee. So you should only make adjustments to the bean grinder, to the coffee grinder, while it's actively grinding coffee. Okay. Secondly, you should only make one adjustment at a time. So like only adjust it one notch at a time. And thirdly, it's going to take at least 2 to 3 cups to fully notice the difference of the grind setting change that you've made. Okay, so those are the 3 things. Number 1, only adjust it while the machine is grinding. Number 2, only adjust it one notch at a time. And last but not least is number 3, it's going to take 2 to 3 cups of brewed espresso or brewed coffee in order to taste the difference of the grind change that you've made. Now, with that being said, when you know those things and you're ready to make the adjustment, you can see right now that I can sort of wiggle this and it's not moving. It's not adjusting anything. In order to make the adjustment, you need to press it down. You can see there, right there, pressed it down. So you need to press it down, and while you're holding it down, turn it. Right now, it's not gonna do anything, but if I was to press it down, I could then turn it. So what I will do, I actually wasn't gonna fully demonstrate at first, but then I was thinking about this video, and I was like, you know, I should really demonstrate. So I'm just gonna brew an espresso, and as I brew the coffee, I'm just gonna adjust it one notch, just quickly. I'm not even, like I said, it's elevated. I can't even fully see, but I know what I'm doing, so I can see enough. Like usually, right now, this is my basement bathroom vanity. I think this countertop, I'm not sure, it seems higher than usual because I feel like when I've made the adjustment in my kitchen, I could see it a little bit better. But you know what? I'm gonna go on my tippy toes and I'll get this kind of view so I can fully see what's happening. You know, because when you are making the adjustment, you do want to fully see what's happening there. So you can see, you know, obviously if you're gonna make it finer or more coarse and so on and so forth. So I'm on my tippy toes and I'm gonna look so I can fully see what's happening. That's you know, like I said, you should do it in a position where you can fully see what's happening. Make sure you have a full good view and you have a full understanding of how to do this, and then you can do that. So like I said, I'm gonna go on my tippy toes so I can get a nice view like from this perspective and fully see what's happening. So we're gonna do it the proper way. So I'm gonna push espresso, and I'm gonna leave the settings as is. I'm gonna brew an espresso, and as soon as I hear grinding, I'm gonna press this down, hold it down, and just adjust it one way or another, because to be honest with you, later on tonight, I'm probably gonna just adjust it back to the setting that I have it right now. So yeah, this is just for this video, so hopefully you enjoyed this. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna push this. It's gonna start. There we are. Push it down, a little bit of a turn, release, just like that. It's literally that easy. That is how to adjust it. It's literally that simple. Like, I mean, it's so simple, but you do have to understand all the stuff that surrounds it. You do have to understand all of the things, and I do really recommend that you have a complete, full understanding, do as much research as you can, and then go ahead and make the adjustment. It's literally that simple. And I mean, at this point, we might as well wait for the coffee to brew so we can see how great it looks. It's just taking a quick moment over here. And we might as well, you know, oh, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I have some milk in there from a previous video. That's why there's some froth milk in there. But oh, Just looks amazing. But that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short, sweet, and straight to the point while still going over everything that I truly believe was necessary for you to understand with regards to my best understanding of the process and how it works and the instructions. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. But yeah, other than that, I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.